Hi buddy, good morning. I'm doing Daily Challenge Coffee Club. Today is SQL Injection. Okay, let's start. Let's do the inspect so we can control things, register. It's the same type of SQL injection. It's a repeat, to be honest. Not repeat this one, but I saw it in different rooms. So, of course, when you SQL injection, you're trying to look for entry point. So for example, you can do search here. What's the search endpoint here? It's calling the product endpoint, and then what's this request? The search is dead, and there's no you can do that little things there. Just response, nothing. The search is not the entry point, but remember there's another one we saw just now when we tried the product endpoint. Not that one. When you click, let's go back there. So when you start clicking now, let's click in this product. When you click in the product, you can see it's calling this edit response. It calling product number 11, and this usually you can start playing with it. If you do that, it said product not found. It doesn't say you database error. You might here give up. You said okay, if that's the case, so just give up because it's number. It's not like strings, so be careful. Don't jump here. For example, I can say and 1 equal and equal 1, and if I do that, you get a product 11. So but if I do 2 equal 1, it said product not found, but it is not having problem with the end here. But even if I do 0, which is a product doesn't exist, if I put 0 and put 1 equal 1, and do or 1 equal 1, and it return product number 1, not this one 11. So this is something interesting about this, and because we know it's interesting, always do the 1 0, the one that doesn't exist for your SQL injection. Don't use the same numbers. You can do, for example, the classic order by, and you do 1 and order by 1, and you wait for it, product not found. I think it's up to you start doing this until you find your no error. So you have 3, you add, I think it's up to 8 if I'm not mistaken. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What I'm doing wrong here? I think. Oh yeah, when you before you do, you need to do a correct product. I forgot about that. Now we are fine. So remember, if you add to 9, if you add 9, you throw the error. No, interesting. So we know it's 8. Now we can go to our friend union. Union select. Remember when you let me show you something. Union with union is better. Don't give it a correct order. Give him something doesn't exist, so it doesn't reflect. We can keep our reflection correct, so it go to our SQL, not the existing product. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So all reflect. We can use any of them. So we can do what we can do. We can do SQL Lite version. For example, if I want the version, and you can see we have the version there. Remember, if you do the correct product there, you get confused for a moment because it go there. So you want to kill give it something is not correct, so it'd be cleaner for you. Now we have a version. So what next we do? We know union select. Now we can do the SQL to get the table. SQL no, not SQL. Before we go to SQL, we go to name. 1, 2, and we go from SQL master, SQLite master. How you spell that master? Where type equal table, no, small letter table. This is number. We don't need to that comment things. It only give me one. Don't get confused. If you see it like that, you can do the group. Don't get confused. Group concat with the bracket. Now we can get all of them and see which one we're interested on. So we have all of this. So we have, you can think, but user is the one that interests us. So we can concentrate on user table. We have product order and all of that. But for now, let's play with the user table. So we have the user table. We can do how to call user table. The user table, we can call it with the SQL. And now we go from SQL master where table where type is table and name equal users. That's the name of the table we concentrate on. And if you do, you can see creatable user, we have the ID, we have the username, password, points, and that things. So now we have a structure. So we do SQL. Now we can do select a normal. We can use the ID. We can use a username. Hold on, before we do mistake, username. I can get what was a password. I can number 4. I can what password. We have the address. Number 5 we can get a phone. Number 6 we can get points. Number and the role. And the created time, we are not interested of it. Let's make sure we are. No, we are not doing where select from users. So straight table calling here, and we can see only one. Why we only have one user? Oh, that's why it's better to do the. It get you the first one. That's why we can do a group concat if you want. I forgot how to do it. Let me save this for a moment. Select. I think we can do. They are 8, so we can do a group concat. How we concat all of them? Not sure if it does work. Let's see if it does work. I don't know what I'm doing here. ID, password. Be fun if it doesn't work. I remember it like that. You do it if you want to get all of them one shot. Otherwise, we just accept for today. Next video, we'll think about it. But we only put in it all, concat all of them in one shot. So we need to put that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if this does it group them or not. Product not found. What exactly we did? A group concat. Product not found. Interesting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 from users. Maybe the concat is wrong. Username. Still, let's concat only the username for now to make sure the command is correct before we jump. Group concat username. I don't think I'm getting it correct. Oh, it concat the username, but if you want to concat all of them, I forgot how to do it. We just put them next to each other. Oh, you don't put them next to each other. I forgot how to do a concat in one shot. Hey, next time, guys, let's not waste everybody's time. You can concat all of them if you want. Password. Yeah, you can see we got the rest of the people. Yeah, that's your flag. But there is a way you can put all the fields there. I forgot. I'm not sure how you do it. You do point or something. But any case, you can concat the password or just do the first one. So it's in the password field. I forgot how to do it. But yeah, that's for now, guys. You can search online. You find to let me know in the comment. Thank you very much and have a good day.